never find the right words. And there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl. So I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. It feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Alright, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Actually, I don't even know if it's morning for you guys. Usually I upload like around 11 or 12. So good morning, good afternoon, whatever it is. We're actually on our way. I have a stair next to me over here. We're actually on our way to VA right now. We're going to go ahead and meet up with him and actually load up the trailer. Alright guys, so if you guys recall, we need the front tires off this one. These are actually the performance pack wheels. We only have one pair that fits the Brembo brakes. While we're waiting for Jose to finish up some business on this side, we just took off the exhaust. It's all welded together off the SS right here. I'm just gonna go down to the last house on the over there. No, there. To the right. Oh, to the right. Yeah.
Somebody else's house and shit.
What do you need? We're here for the car.
What car?
What car? What the fuck?
Oh yeah, it's right here. Just take a fucking random
Start taking her car.
Just load up all their shit.
What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, we're here to repo your shit.
Shit.
You're making payments. This shit been paid off for 30 years.
You missed one.
You missed one.
missed
We just
one.
found it.
So with the fees and taxes, you owe about 30 more K.
Shit.
But we'll break you a deal. If you give us 2K right now, we'll act like
We'll let it go. Nothing happened.
Fuck.
Oh, sweet, they moved it. Or load it up first right here.
Bring her out.
Bring her out, load it up here, then back it, and then
Yeah.
flip it. Do that probably better. All right, guys, so if you guys can go ahead and see, she's here. She's at the shop. She's sitting here. We can go ahead and let it sit here for another day or two. She looks good. It's all good to go. And then we're gonna go ahead and actually swap everything into this one that we have over here. Again, as you guys saw in the beginning, we only have one set of wheels. The other set for this one that this one came with actually broke in the middle. Right now we just have it set on the jack. Not good. Also, we'll have to do that later. But everyone who is new to the channel, so this is what we have. This is a 2015. It has all the premium spec'd out. So we got the Recaros, we got the navigation. I took off the camera. The camera actually still works, I believe. I'm just gonna have to rewire it, obviously. It came with the system in it. We got the fat tires. These are 325s. Those need to go. And then we have, obviously, the Brembos in the front. So literally everything is gonna go into that one. So stay tuned for all this build. It's gonna be awesome. And with that being said, a huge shout out to Newman, Adam, Estrella, and Jose. We're gonna go ahead and get this done. Cindo's gonna do the body work, so shout out to Cindo. And with that being said, we'll go ahead and see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.